Welcome to our au2mator quick start video. Today I want to show you how you can use System Center Orchestrator and au2mator to self-service your IT. For this example, we prepare the runbook which will add a user into a group. The initialize data is configured with some properties, the user, the group and the comment, and the PowerShell activity will add the user into the group. Switch back to our self-service portal and create a new service. The service is called add user to group, video and SEO. The same we use for description, and we choose a service group. A unique image makes it a little bit easier for the users to select the correct service. And now the most important part is the automation. In this case we choose Orchestrator and select the runbook we saw before, the add user to group. The initialized data will be transferred to questions. So first of all we have to configure our group initialized data. We enter nice text for the question and we mark it as required and switch it to an LDAP query, because we want to provide the groups directly from Active Directory. So the LDAP query is object class equals group, and we want to show the name. And we click on view, we can see the result, all groups with their names. The next one is the comment. This will keep a simple comment and a text value, no requirements, anything else. And the last one is the user. So we enter nice text and we mark it as required, and this will also be an LDAP query, but in this case it will be object class equals user, and we want to see the name and the SAM account name. Click on view to see the results, and we get all the name and the SAM account's name for all our users. Save the service and go ahead and start and test. So we start the service for myself. We are searching for the service we created already, so we choose the Orchestrator version. Click next. Now we see the form. We can choose a user from our list. In our case we want to do it with Mike Jan as one of our test users, and the group will be the au2mator user group. You can add a comment. It is not necessary at this point, but just feel free to enter a comment and click finish. The runbook will be triggered immediately. It's already triggered, and after a few seconds Mike Jan should be a member of the group. Yes, here it is. So that's it. Enjoy your day and bye bye.